with Photoshop. So you can bring video into Photoshop and then export it for your web projects, which is cool because you don't need to learn how to use a video editing software tool like Premiere. So I'm just gonna take a quick video with my phone. So I'm just gonna just move this around like here, video of my room. I'm going to go into layer and I'm going to say new video layer from file. And I'm going to find that file that I just created, that video file that I took with my phone. And it's here under downloads. And here it is. And give it a few seconds. So now I have video in Photoshop. I kind of shot it portrait size when maybe I should have shot it landscape size on my phone. So it's something to always think about. And there it shows up in Photoshop with a little film strip on it. So you can take this now and you can have a lot of fun with this. Well, you can convert it to a smart object and scale it up if you want. Or you can duplicate it. So I can take this and I can duplicate it multiple times. So now I have more than one playing. And then they actually control the edit itself. If you go to Window and you go into Timeline, there's a video timeline that you can play with. And so you can play with this edit and you can change like when one starts and when one ends. So there's a lot of cool things you can actually do in here. And then you can play with the length by grabbing this little, make it bigger. You can shorten it. So that's the length of the video, is this bar on top. And you can do different things to have an interesting effect here. And then I can add information on top of it. So if I want to add some text on top, I can do that. And it's going to change the color of the text so you can maybe see it. And actually put this on top and then give it a drop shadow. I'll give it like a outer glow. I'll just make it dark here. So now I have this this little video that I did based on just shooting with my phone. And then if you want to export it, you go into File and just go into Export, Render Video. So this is where you export the video. And this is the place, give it a few seconds, where I can make this as MP4. So if it came in as a .mov, this render video setting will automatically make it MP4. And then I can go ahead and rename it. And then render it out. And everything here should be fine. You can change when it starts and begins. You can kind of change a couple things like the aspect ratio and the quality in certain areas. But I'm going to render out that video. And then you can use this. So you don't need to use the YouTube downloader. So this is a way where you can go out and grab video for your project. Let me just bring that video into my So I got Joe's Place video, hit save. Give it a few seconds, and there you go.